Hello, welcome to learn Finnish with me again. This is gonna be a few-part video, so I want to do a video about how to describe humans, how to describe other people, and yeah, I realized that's too much for one video, so we're gonna start with learning all of the body parts, because I'm nothing but thorough. Okay, some might still be missing, but we have a lot of them. So let's get started. We're gonna learn simple vocabulary today. I'm gonna tell you all the words and how to pronounce them, and I'll give you the plural versions of the words as well if I remember. Okay? So I want to start out with ihminen, which is human. Ihminen, human. Ihmiset, people, humans. Henkilö, person. Henkilö, person. Henkilöt, people again, I guess. And keho is body. Keho, body. The funny thing about this vocabulary is that I think everything, or at least almost everything, of these words are native Finnish words, so that's fun, isn't it? You will not know this based on English. Nainen is a woman. Nainen. Nainen. Mies is a man. Mies, a man. Nainen, the plural is naiset, and mies becomes miehet. Okay, so let's just start from going from up to down. We have a lot of words. So first we have pää, a head. Head. I'm just gonna say these words without articles. Pää, head. Pää, and it refers to the whole head. I have another paper with the face, so you're gonna learn a lot of face-related words there. Pää, head. Pää also can mean like an end of something, so you will notice the pää ending in several other words in Finnish. Like here we have olkapää, which is shoulder, we have kyynärpää, which is elbow, and we have kantapää, which is heel. But pää, head. And then we have neck. The front of the neck is called kaula. Kaula, neck. And the back of the neck is called niska. Niska. Kaula, niska. I guess you could call niska, so it's like the nape, but I don't know if nape is more specific. And then we have shoulders, hartiat, which refers to the whole area from the bottom of your neck to your shoulders, like this area here on both sides is hartiat, hartiat. And olkapää is the shoulder, so this point here, this joint situation. So hartiat, shoulders, and olkapää, a shoulder. Next we have käsivarsi, which is your whole arm from your wrist to your shoulder. Outside of käsivarsi, there is a word for the upper part of your arm, which would be olkavarsi, like olkapää. Then it would be olkavarsi, which is the upper part of your arm, and then we would have kyynärvarsi, which is the lower part of your arm. Kyynärvarsi, and käsivarsi is just your whole arm. And wrist in Finnish is ranne. I did not write it here, but it's written R-A-N-N-E. R-A-N-N-E. Ranne. Ranne is wrist. Ranne. And kyynärpää is elbow. Kyynärpää. So it's like the end of the kyynär, and kyynärvarsi is the front or lower part of your arm. Kainalo is armpit. Kainalo, kainalo, armpit. Kainalo, armpit. And chest is rinta. Rinta is chest. But if you say rinnat, then it's boobs or breasts. There are other ways to say boobs in Finnish, but I think rinnat is the nicest one. Your stomach is vatsa or maha. M-A-H-A, I wrote it very badly. M-A-H-A, maha. I think that's the easier word for stomach, so you might want to remember that. But vatsa is also stomach. Vyötärö is waist. Vyötärö, vyötärö, waist. And lantio is hips. Lantio is hips. And your belly button in Finnish is napa. That's an easy word. I don't have it here written because I didn't find space for it, but it's N-A-P-A. Napa. Belly button, napa. And your butt is peppu or pylly. Peppu. Some people also use a curse word for this one. You can learn that in the curse words video. It's like the ass, but peppu is like butt. And if you want to be very polite and formal, the actual word for like the butt, you can say behind, like takapuoli, which just means backside. So takapuoli, which would be T-A-K-A-P-U-O-L-I. Takapuoli. And then we have a thigh, it's reisi. Thigh is reisi. Reisi, reisi, reisi. Just remember to pronounce the R's sharper than I do, because my R's are not very sharp. I went to speech therapy as a kid. And sari, sari is leg, so the lower part of your leg. Sari. And calf in Finnish is pohje. Pohje. Pohje is calf. And very last here we have foot, which is jalka. Like in Finnish, football is jalkapallo. So jalka is foot. And we have toes, which is varpaat. A singular toe is varvas. Varvas, varpaat. And heel is kantapää, like we talked earlier. But this does not apply to when you're wearing high heels. That would be korko. Like the interest rate. But okay, Finnish is korko just means when something is a little higher. That's why the interest rate is also called korko in Finnish. But when you're speaking of the bottom of your foot, like the back bottom of your foot, then it's kantapää. And I think I forgot. So hand is käsi, käsi, käsi. And sormi is finger. That's one finger. And sormet are fingers. Also same with käsi becomes kädet, kädet. And thumb is peukalo. 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 Okay, but that's not all. That's not all. This is why I said this is gonna be a multi-part video, because we still have the face parts. So, kasvot is face. Kasvot, kasvot, face. Then we have hiukset or tukka, which is hair. You can also say otsahiukset or otsatukka, which means forehead hair, which is bangs or fringe, right? So hiukset and tukka for hair. And otsa is forehead. Otsa, forehead. If you have a big forehead like me, you can say iso otsa. That's a big forehead. And an ear is korva. 2 ears or multiple ears are korvat. Eyebrows are kulmakarvat. Kulmakarvat. You rarely use the singular form of this, which would only apply if you're speaking of the one single hair of your eyebrows. That would be kulmakarva, just without a T at the end. Silmät is eyes. Silmä is an eye. Silmät is eyes. Silmä. Silmät. And nose is nenä. Ne. Na. Ne. Na. I know the vowels in Finnish can be confusing, but that is how you pronounce it. Ne. Na. Nenä. And then we have suu, which is mouth. That's an easy word, I think. Suu, mouth. And huulet is lips. A single lip is huuli. It's like lip. Huulet are lips. Poski is a cheek, and posket are cheeks. Poski, posket. Poski, posket. Leuka is chin or jaw. This applies to both of them. I don't think we have separate words for those two in Finnish, unfortunately. So leuka applies to the edge of your face. And kaula is neck or the front of the neck, as we discussed already. Then we have a few more words that I couldn't fit here, which include sierain, which is nostril. Sieraimet is nostrils. Sierain. We have ripset, which is lashes. Ripsi is a single lash. Ripset is lashes. Parta is a beard. Parta, beard. And viikset is a mustache. Viikset, mustache. Viikset. And that is all. That was a lot of body parts, and I still did not have them all. So, I hope you learned a lot. I hope you take your time to write all of this down, because otherwise you have no chance of learning them, because there is way too much of them. And I hope you were able to make out something from my terrible handwriting. My apologies for that. Now good luck learning, Bye bye.